Hey guys, Jason here with What in Detail Nation, bringing you an after video of this Chevy Duramax in for a one-stage paint correction and a 5-year coating applied to the painted surfaces and the trim. As you can see, this truck is absolutely glossy. A really nice mirror. This truck was actually freshly repainted several months ago. It has fully cured and it's finally come in to get protected. Ceramic coatings will not only be glossier, have a lot more luster and slickness than normal automotive waxes. They offer ease of cleaning. Your vehicle stays cleaner for longer as nothing sticks to that super slick finish. And you'll have years of protection that doesn't require constant waxing. You keep your vehicle protected year round. If you're interested in receiving a ceramic coating on your vehicle, please visit our website at whatindetailnation.org and we'll see you soon. But until later, I'll see you.